everybody, so we are in the group 2 and for today's video we will be talking about gene therapy and cell therapy.
So what are gene therapy and cell therapy? Gene therapy or GT uses genes in the prevention and treatment of genetic defects including mutation and other acquired diseases. Genes may be introduced, removed, or changed in the cells of patients when receiving gene therapy. This mostly experimental technique changes how the cell produces proteins. On the other hand, cellular therapy or CT is the use of viable human cells transferred into a patient to replace or repair damaged tissue and cells. Blood transfusion is an example, and stem cell therapy is just one of the many innovative techniques used in a variety of diseases.
How does gene therapy works? Gene therapy works by replacing a defective gene, changing the genetic information of a population of the cells for the purpose of the prevention of a disorder or alleviating symptoms of a disorder.
There are currently a variety of techniques or strategies that are used in gene therapy, and these are gene addition, gene correction, gene silencing, reprogramming, and lastly, cell elimination.
What are the uses of gene therapy? It replaces missing or defective genes, deliver genes that speed up the destruction of cancer cells, supply genes that cause cancer cells to revert back to normal cells, deliver bacterial or viral genes as a form of vaccination, provide genes that promote or impede the growth of new tissue, and deliver genes that stimulate the healing of damaged tissue.
So what are the common types of cell therapy? Actually, the most common type of cell therapy is what we call the blood transfusion. And this is basically the transfusion of our red blood cells, our white blood cells, as well as our platelets coming from a donor. And also another common type of cell therapy is what we call the transplantation of hematopoietic stem cells. And this is to stimulate more red bone marrow, and this is performed for over 40 years. Yes, you heard it right, 40 years. So same with gene therapy, cell therapy also has a lot of classifications. So I'll be showing you the types of cells that can be used for cell therapy that are actually classified by their cell potency.
Both gene therapy and cell therapy have the potential to cure the fundamental cause of genetic diseases and acquired diseases. These techniques replace the missing proteins or cells causing the disease symptoms or suppressing expression of proteins which are toxic to cells or eliminating cancerous cells.
Can viral vector make us sick? No, it can't make us sick. The viruses used in gene therapy are designated to reduce the risk of adverse effects. These viral vectors were tested to animals and in human trials to make sure that human cells are not harmed. However, like all treatments and therapy, it has its risk. So for those who wants to avail it, you must discuss first with your physicians the pros and cons of gene therapy.
So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. We really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Have a great day and have a great life. Bye.